How to download or install Groww app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Groww. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the very first option you see there. Now, further, go ahead and tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and a menu will appear. In the menu, find the Cast, Save and Share option and further tap on the Cast, Save and Share option. You will then see the Create Shortcut option. Tap on that. Further, tap on the Create option in the pop-up window that appears, and with this, you will have the Groww application on your device. So, this is how you can download or install Groww app on your device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.